This free starter plan lets us test the complete order and licensing flow without a gateway or payment credentials. I'm using fictional local details. Core Forms creates the order from the saved product and plan, then issues the license because this plan has no charge. The buyer receives access to the customer dashboard. Guest access uses a signed link with a limited lifetime rather than putting a reusable password in the address. In orders, the administrator can see the customer, plan, amount, status, and fulfillment record. The free order is complete without pretending that a payment occurred. The license record tracks status, expiry, activation limit, activated sites, and related activity. The full key stays masked until an authorized administrator chooses to reveal it. The customer dashboard brings orders, package downloads, expiry, and site activations together. Customers can deactivate a site themselves when they move a license. That completes the local buyer flow: storefront, checkout, order, license, and customer access. A paid order follows the same structure, but fulfillment waits for a signed payment webhook before actions run.